Right now we have meeting with founder international indianpotato.com, Mr. Devendra Kumar Khe. Yeah, correct. I learning your
Yes.
name, Mr. Devendra. You have good experience in Indian market. Today, April 2026. What situation in Indian market? What might be you have some problem for crisis in Iran conflict? Maybe you have news about what news about Indian market? What situation in Indian market right now? What's price? Uh, what maybe you open for problem for farmer, for processing company? Please.
Okay. Thanks, Victor, for inviting me for this interaction. So, today is 5th of April 2026, and recently India finished the harvest of potatoes. Around the end of March, all the majority of the potatoes got harvested, and uh, so right now, since the harvest is already over, so you can see, as usual, whenever this happens each and every year, after the harvest, the prices of the potatoes are not so good, right? So this is the usual trend, nothing special this year. Okay. So slowly and slowly, as the things goes up, the prices start building, right? So right now, in case you want to understand about the prices, it ranges between, you can say, from 7 rupees to 12 rupees, 13 rupees per kg, depending
It's
on the potato.
possible in dollar. 7 rupee. It's
So it's 10 rupees is almost equal to 10 euro. So sorry, point 1 euro. Point 1
in
euro.
dollar.
Okay. In dollar, you can say almost 10 cents,
10 cents
10 to 15 cents
per kilo.
per kilo. Yeah.
Okay. It's
Okay.
for fresh table potato or processing potato.
So this is it's for the fresh potatoes, right? The processing potatoes are a little bit higher, right? Maybe you can say 10 to not 10, but 15 to 20% higher. Okay.
Okay. What do you
That
think
is.
about crisis in Iran for Indian farmer? Do you have some problem for you? I know
No, the
much more Indian
prices.
potato export in country Saudi Arabia and another country.
Yeah. So we can talk about from two perspectives. First of all, the domestic consumption for, you can say, for the where potatoes are table potatoes, right? So we are already self-sufficient in that. So I think the domestic for the domestic consumption, there is no impact, no major impact. Yes, the impact due to the war has been on the processing, because last year India exported almost 272,000 of tons of frozen fries to different markets, right? Due to the war, yes, the implication is always there, and probably in the last 1 month, the export are not good as they should have been.
Uh, okay, we have right now, I think, understand how much kilo Indian farmer harvesting in 2025 and 2026 season.
So yes, so the official data has been released in the last month only by Government of India. So last year, you can see in the last season, in 2024-25 season, India harvested around 58.17 million tons of potatoes. That is the official data by the government. And since for the current year, the harvest is almost is just over, so probably the data will be released after 3 or 4 months. So in India, the data is released on the 3 times a year: first estimate, second estimate, and the third estimate. The first estimate will be coming around July, the second estimate in the month of November, and the final estimate will be for this year, will be coming in the next year. Right. So to conclude, last year we produced 50, almost 58 million tons of potatoes in India.
Maybe Indian export company open new potato market. I don't know. Example, Australia. Do you know something?
Yeah, so yes, so basically, previously India was basically exporting to the Southeast Asian countries. Right now, Many of the new countries have also been explored, and we are doing. Indian companies are doing good in Japan, right? In the Middle East also, and we have also started exploring. Many of the companies started exporting to the US also. Not a big chunk, but the export has started to those countries also.
Uh, and question about what do you think general problem for potato sector in India right now?
So basically, I will say from the farmer's perspective, from the farmer's angle, it's a price right now, right? Because the production is good, the farmers are expecting a good price, but right now it's not as per the expectation of the farmers, right? That is number one. So that is a major concern which I will say.
Okay, finished question. I see your website, indianpotato.com. It's reconstruct and what's good? What is a general idea for your website? What do you want in your website to present people who reading your news?
So, Victor, what we are doing here, see, we are just trying to build a sort of community which is for all the potato stakeholders, right? Right from the farmer to the processors to the exporters to the machine manufacturers to the processing machine line manufacturers, right? So we are trying to build a platform where the people, all the stakeholders can connect with each other and they can get help from each other at least. So that is our basic idea. We so the prime objective of that is to to help the farmers. If any of the farmer want anything, for example, in India, the quality seed is a big problem with the farmers, right? So we are just trying to help the farmers by connecting to a source where they can have a good quality seed, right, so that they can benefit. We are just trying to help the farmers to provide them with the right economic practices. We are trying to help the farmers by connecting with the different processing companies in which the farmers can do the contract farming with the processing companies. We are trying to help the farmers by providing the means and knowledge how to export the potatoes to different countries, how to sell to the different places in different market where price is good, right? So the prime objective is for supporting the farmers and building a community in the potatoes.
Okay, Mr. Devendra, thanks so much for your time. Have a good day and send my hello for Indian farmer and Indian company.
Yes, thanks, Victor.
I think
Last but
so.
not
See you soon in December in Ahmedabad Potato
yeah.
Summit. Yeah.
Yes, last, Victor, thanks for all those things. Last but not the least, I would like to say because you're recording the video, so you are one of the person who is an inspiration for me, right? I met around you in 2023, something like that, and we started interacting, and all the things which I have been doing in India is basically because of you. You are one of the most inspiration person for me in the potatoes, and right now you're also doing a wonderful job, traveling across different countries, meeting different people, understanding all the things. So what I'm trying to do in India, you're already doing in a global manner, Victor. I will say you are doing a wonderful job. Keep doing it, and my best wishes to you and your team, my Victor.
Thanks so much. See you soon.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.